Blue-Footed Booby, the bright stars of the Galapagos. With their vivid turquoise feet and goofy charm, blue-footed boobies are some of the most beloved birds in the wild. Found along the Pacific coasts of Central and South America, they're most famously seen on the Galápagos Islands, where they wow wildlife watchers with their quirky looks and playful behavior. But those bright blue feet aren't just for show. They're a key part of their mating ritual. Males do a special high-stepping dance to show off their foot color, which signals health and strength to potential mates. Comical, clever, and full of character, the blue-footed booby proves that sometimes weird is wonderful in the animal kingdom.